Not every high-performing company financially has a great culture. So that kind of sounds silly, right? You would think that if the organization is high-performing, that the culture should exist. People should be aligned, if you will, to the common goal. Not always the case, sadly. We, as an organization, had performed for many, many years and didn't have the alignment that we really needed. We were more vertically aligned versus horizontally aligned. And horizontal alignment, when you visualize that, really makes a lot of sense because people are much more agile or nimble in our case. They are much more accountable to their actions and activities and to one another, which is really, really an important thing. We practice OKRs, which is an objective and key result methodology for measuring our success and driving our initiatives. And that initiative for us, or the OKRs for us, will be transformative once we really, really cycle that muscle, so to speak. We've just started in this world. Our culture is to a point where it's able to support it, which sounds very odd, I'm sure, but you need to develop a baseline culture and partnership. You have to have a co-authored outcome, if you will, that the organization believes in. And as an organization, we're there. We are just starting our journey with OKRs, and we believe that it will drive better results in our organization, and it will drive better ambient engagement with our people. So when it comes to culture, again, not every organization that performs very, very well has a great culture. They may get lucky. They may just muscle through it and be of a certain size that it's acceptable. But for us, culture is a really, really important thing, and the engagement of every individual in our company is critical to its success.